Okay, so previously, sa week 1 ng math lesson natin, tinake up natin what is the meaning of sequence. So again, when we say sequence, a sequence is a list of numbers, letters, objects, or anything that shows a pattern. Now, there are different kinds of sequence, and one of them is called the arithmetic sequence. Now, how do we define an arithmetic sequence? So, when we say arithmetic sequence, an arithmetic sequence is a sequence where each succeeding term is obtained by adding a fixed number. The fixed number is called the common difference, which is denoted by the letter D. To find the next term in an arithmetic sequence, we use the formula a sub n equals to a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d, where a sub n is the nth term or the last term. So this one, a sub n is the last term or the nth term. A sub 1 is the first term. N is the number of terms and D is the common difference. Now, before we go to the formula of the arithmetic sequence, let's have an example on how we can determine if the given sequence is an arithmetic sequence or not. So we have here two sequences. So the first sequence is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And the second sequence is 2, 5, 7, 1, 5. So how are we going to determine if this two sequence is an arithmetic sequence or not an arithmetic sequence? So, ang sabi kanina sa definition ng arithmetic sequence, we get the next term by adding a common difference. So, dapat, to be able to say that it is an arithmetic sequence, meron siyang common difference. So, kuhanin natin yung common difference ng sequence. How do we get the common difference? We get the common difference by subtracting the next term and the previous term. So, for example, for the first sequence, so we have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. The first term is 1 and the second term is 3. So, ang gagawin natin, isusubtract natin. Yung second term, 3, minus the first term, 1. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Then, isubtract natin yung third term sa second term, or yung 5 minus 3. What is 5 minus 3? That is equal to 2. Then, subtract natin 7 minus 5. What is 7 minus 5? That is also equal to 2. And then, subtract natin 9 minus 7. 9 minus 7. And 9 minus 7 is also equal to 2. Pag pare-pareho yung difference niya, ang tawag dyan ay common difference. So, if they have a common difference, therefore, it is an arithmetic sequence. Kasi meron siyang tinatawag na common difference. Now, let's go to the second example. Ganon din, katulad ng ginawa natin dito. Ganon din yung gagawin natin dito. Susubtract natin yung second term and first term. 5 minus 2. What is 5 minus 2? 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Then, subtract natin. 7 minus 5. What is 7 minus 5? That is equal to 2. Dito pa lang, makikita natin na hindi magkapareho. So, hindi na natin isusubtract the rest of the numbers or the sequence. Kasi, dito pa lamang sa difference ng second and first term, third and second term, magkaiba na. So, wala siyang common difference. It has no common difference. So, therefore, it is not an arithmetic sequence. So, that's how we determine if the given sequence is an arithmetic sequence or not. We have to determine kung meron siyang common difference. Laging ang ima-minus nyo, next term minus the previous term. Next term minus the previous term. So, pag meron siyang pare-parehong difference, meron siyang common difference, it is an arithmetic sequence. Pero kung nag-minus kayo, dun pa lamang sa unang tatlong sequence, nag-subtract kayo, second term minus the first term, 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. third term minus the second term, 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Dun pa lang, magkaiba na agad yung difference niya. It has no common difference. Therefore, it is not an arithmetic sequence.